Let's move on. Let's welcome Ramesh Mansukhani from Man Industries, coming out with very good set of numbers. But now we are looking at the new year as well. Ramesh ji, afternoon. Thank you so much for your time. You had a good year. But
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon. How is the FY25 looking? The way you have expanded capacities, the way things are panning out, numbers, uh, your margins in 24 appear to have bottomed out and are going higher. Can it go back to 11%, 12% levels, which we have seen in the past as well?
Yeah, I will brief about the nature of the business because of the why the little bit was the pressure in the last quarter because the most of the order was the domestic order and the for water works. The water fetching little bit lower EBITDA 8%, oil and gas 11 to 12%. We are our guidance for the current year 25 would be around 4,000 crore, which will be 25-30% growth. This year we closed 3,200. Last year was 2,200 crore. The growth will be roughly 4,000 crore, and we are estimating EBITDA between 400 to 450 crore. This is the guidelines. And because of the some value-added products we already added, the year 2024 we closed, which is going to make the more impact positive side during the current year.
Sure. See, I have your margin trends in front of me, 9.5%, closer to 9.5% you've had this time. You're saying 4,000 crore top line for 25 with 400, 450 crore kind of margin. So 10, 11% is where. Do you have further improvement possibility if we go in 26? Do you think on a say 6,000 crore top line we can do 12, 13%, or does it have a upward bias possibility in margins?
Now there is a great possibility because of the whatever our expansion, not expansion, the capex program is going on, which will give the yield in 25, 26, the full year, and then we are expecting 12 to 13% EBITDA, and 6,000 crore is our target to reach over there. So there will be the big jump in the profitability in particular period. But this year also, we seeing the positive side movement already started in EBITDA. The current year, you will see the quarter two, quarter three, quarter four more vibrancy.
Very nice. All the quarters actually will be more vibrant, is what you're saying. Sir, how are your expansion in Saudi Arabia going on, and what is the visibility of that business? Can you share updates?
Yeah, because the expansion program, because of the same field we are going, because of local content value, the government program Vision 2030 in Saudi. So we are putting up the plant over there. The work is already started, full swing, which we are planning to come in the production 2025 beginning, some portion, and then next 2-3 months we full. And we are investing around 450 to 500 crore rupee total investment over there.
Right.
And Jammu is our going on stainless steel, where is a high EBITDA between 20 to 25%, depend on your product mix basis, which is going on full swing, which we also come in the production 25. So this year will be 4,000 crore existing unit in Gujarat, where last year ERW couldn't give the yield because we were not having the accreditations. We got the accreditations, almost all accreditations. The result will come the current year. We already faced some order of API, which is going to make the impact in coming quarters.
Mr. Mansukhani, recently we saw you got a nod for manufacturing pipes which can transport hydrogen. Now
Yes,
we
sir.
see that a lot of hydrogen capacities are being added by players like Adani, Reliance, and some others as well. Which year would the real requirement in orders will actually come in, and before that, how much capacity? I want to understand 4-5 years, how much can this side of the business add to your numbers?
Yes, sir. We okay. Although the Adani, Reliance, and other government companies also coming in the hydrogen, but the real terms will be in next 2-3 years will be the great move because change our focus from one product to other products takes time and the government approvals, etc. And then will be utilization. But I think so because we got the accreditation to international market will be much more faster for us. Right now, if you see our total revenue is 80% from export. So our focus on export is much more where the things are coming very fast and more volume worldwide. But India also very promising market in coming times. That's we are well equipped for coming and utilizing our mode facility as well as to some critical transport also we can do through our pipelines.
How are the margins in this hydrogen pipe, if I can call it for, just for comfort right now? Are they better margins products than the other ones?
There is a better margin, definitely, but because of very few company in the world right now is doing, very few. That's why obviously the market EBITDA will be much higher, much more value added products, etc.
3 years, how much can it add to your overall numbers? How much can you add on revenues and profits?
This time is very difficult, but
Okay.
one thing I'm very sure 2025, which I given the guidance, I gave the guidance of 2026 also, and this is much more futuristic business. It will be uh, the tonnage wise, I can say we have the 1 million ton capacity, we will be utilized more capacity in coming time. Apart from current business, the new energy business also, we are going to cover in India as well as in abroad since we have all the accreditations there.
All right, Mr. Mansukhani, thank you so much for joining us and good luck for your road ahead as well.